activity na.
Spread out, spread out, spread out. Okay, and that's enough. Okay, wala. Okay, hawak ka lang ng aking bags. Okay, alam mo kung anong shape yan? Anong shape? Okay, oblong. Okay, and? Okay, and a diamond. Okay, so, stand up straight. Yan tayo, stand up. Okay, 1, and 2. 2, dapat dalawang beses. And square. Tumulong mo siya. Hold. Okay, how about... Okay po, kasama mo lang po. Okay, let's... Wait po. Wait lang po. Wait kami. Yet, not yet. Okay, so...
You're a burger.
Mustard, pickle, and onion. Dapat 4. Okay. Pag-usapan niya mustard, habang siya mag-cause na very bitter taste. Nakalimang bag. Okay, do not spread, just put 5 bag. Pagkara lang siyang tinta, pagkara lang ang tinta, dapat limang bag. Hindi siya, i-spread lang lahat. Okay? Okay, again, do not spread. Just put 5 back. The bitter mustard. Now, I will scoop that out and spread it on your buns. Let's spread. Diba, spread no? Nasa top ng mustard, okay? Top ng mustard. Very good. Top ng mustard. Sige po. Okay mo. Tingin ko na. It adds more crackers atin. Jesus, gusto lagay nyo na ang inyong pickles. Bago iikan po, yung natin na. Okay, maraming sipiyak na yan. Ang after pa naman natin pickles is the cheese. Okay, so yan.
Thank you.
Okay, after the cheese, it's not time for you. That is to put ang body na may cheese na cheese burger. Ano pa? So, if you want to add more onions, you can use
Okay na yan. Good na yan.
Now cover that. Cover that. Cover it. Cover that. Cover it. Yes, okay, cover. Okay, now you are, nasa ilalim. Yung button ng kapan, nasa taas. So, baliktad po. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, so back. Compare ko natin ito. This one. Okay? Okay na po, then cover the burger. Okay na, cover the... Okay. Very good, very good. Now, on the other part of the wrapper, cover it again. Okay, ano ba? Cover. First, the bottom part ito. Ito na, this. And the bottom part, and the upper part, cover yung siya mas. Okay na po? So, yung wrapper, tignan mo yung is sticker, okay? Now, you can only move your, it should look like this. Diba? It should be tight. Okay.
Yay! Show your
Okay, guys. Now, please bear in one hand or pen. Now, write your name at the bottom part of the
Yay!
stick. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Please, choose the name for your